2025, the world of recreational vehicles has witnessed a complete transformation. And leading that revolution is what can only be described as the most insane motorhome ever engineered. This isn't just a home on wheels, it's a moving masterpiece of unimaginable luxury, size, and futuristic technology, commanding attention wherever it rolls. From the moment you see it, you're not just looking at a motorhome, you're staring at the future. Towering above traditional RVs, the exterior looks more like a sci-fi concept vehicle than anything street legal. Crafted with an oversized aerodynamic body that hugs the road, while still looking like a mobile fortress, it features ultra-wide rear tires with a double-axle setup that appears like something out of a Hollywood mech movie. The body is sculpted with active aero vents, high-shine titanium-coated panels, and a glowing LED ambient light strip that runs from the front grille to the rear like a pulse of energy. Even the side mirrors are replaced with cameras, streamed live to the massive dashboard inside. Step closer, and the motorized entry steps fold out with a silent hiss. As the door opens, you're greeted by a wave of cool, golden ambient lighting pouring from inside, matched with the scent of premium leather and smart climate-controlled air. The cabin is simply unreal. It's not just luxurious, it's excessive in the most glorious way. Inside is a lounge that looks more like a five-star hotel suite fused with a spaceship. There's a full-length reclining sofa with embedded massage units, smart glass walls that tint with a tap, and a 120-inch roll-out OLED screen that rises from the console for cinematic viewing. The floor? Heated. The ceiling? A panoramic electrochromic skylight that darkens at night and reveals a digital galaxy mapped in real time. And yes, there's even a retractable fireplace, not imitation, real, flame behind heat-proof nanoglass. But it doesn't stop there. The kitchen features a fully automated cooking unit by Miele, a touch-activated induction slab, and a smart refrigerator that syncs to your phone to suggest meals based on what's inside. Opposite the kitchen is a dining nook with marble-topped surfaces and a holographic AI assistant built right into the table to help with travel planning, weather updates, or even a round of trivia during long drives. In the rear chamber, the bedroom takes over like a luxury penthouse. A king-size floating bed, surround sound hidden within the headboard, under-bed storage that automatically lifts with hydraulic arms, and walls that transform into live feeds of whichever view you want. Mountains, ocean, or your own drone footage following you from behind. And for those wondering, yes, the motorhome also comes with a retractable drone bay. The bathroom? Think luxury spa, rainfall shower with chromotherapy, touchless faucet system, and heated marble floors with an aroma diffuser synced to your circadian rhythm. From a driving standpoint,